Have you ever learned tarot cards and then you have kept them away because you are not confident about how to go about it, how to do the reading? Am I going to give proper answers to these people who are sitting in front of me, and so forth? There are so many questions arising in your mind that I don't know, but I am not confident enough to do these tarot card readings. Namaste. I am Anjali Rajan Bogle from Rare Counseling, and I am into feng shui, Chinese astrology, tarot, handwriting analysis, drawing analysis, and many other healing modalities. There are many videos which I keep on giving you all on my website, and I'm happy to see that many people like my videos. Do go and see on my website these videos if you have not seen them. Thank you very much for that. Today I'm going to give you a certain tips about how to go about doing tarot card reading confidently. Okay, so first and foremost, what you have to do is you have to take a journal. Keep a tarot card journal and a pen handy always. Secondly, you need to take a deck with whom you connect to. I'm using this old tarot of the old path deck, and I really like this deck because there are so many wonderful pictures in them, and every time I do a reading I can see different things from that, and I intuitively just catch on and go about it. So normally when people are teaching, or even when I am teaching, I am using this Rider-Waite deck. This is a very simple deck, this is a uniform deck and very easy to understand, and people do use this and they find it easy to use it. Okay, so now firstly what you have to do is, even though when you are learning tarot cards in a class and they give you meanings about these tarot card readings, okay, but then this is not the only meaning. There can be hundreds and thousands of different new meanings every time you do a tarot card reading. So when you keep a journal with you, and then just take 2 or 3 cards daily, yeah, or more than that if you have more time now, and then just connect with each and every card, meditate on each and every card for 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 15 minutes, as time permits. See what you are getting. Wow, I got this star card here. So every time I see this card, something new comes up, something new props up, and then look at that thing which has propped up in your mind, which you are seeing for the first time, because every time I see a card, any card, something new I can see into that, and then I do the reading accordingly. So you have to check what you are seeing, what is the thought process of after seeing this particular thing or the whole card, what else are you seeing into this, and then just jot it down. Every time you connect with the card, write down your thought process about it, what you can see and what else is coming in your mind. Whatever is there, that is a new meaning for you. Secondly, when you keep on this journal and then start giving a 1 card reading or a 2 card reading for a start, because what happens is when you take a big spread and then you don't understand the connection between the cards at the start, so hence just start with a yes or no card. This will also help you to be very confident about, okay, yeah, this is the meaning and I've given a proper answer to the person who is sitting in front of me. One more important thing is, before doing any reading, just make a small prayer to your higher self or anyone else whom you believe into. Don't have an ego in your mind that I'm the one who's doing the reading. Sorry, no. You are just a messenger here. So the higher self or whoever you believe into is giving you the messages and through these tarot cards, and then you are delivering it to the person who is sitting in front of you. One more important thing is, you always have to take energy exchange. Ask whatever amount you feel appropriate at that time. Do get money for that, because you have spent your time and money into learning these tarot cards and practicing it. Definitely yes. So please take energy exchange, which will help you to get more confidence, give you more confidence about doing tarot card reading. And then definitely with confidence, go ahead and do your tarot card readings. Dhanyavad.